Good morning, students. So, do you have any pet animals in your home? Like a parrot, dog, cat, or any other things? So, have you ever visited a pet shop? What do you mean by a pet shop? Pet shop means there are several kinds of pets are there. That is cat, dog, then turtle, rabbit, lovebirds, golden fish, etc. will be there. So, have you ever visited to that place or even heard about that? Okay, today we are going to see about a poem. The poem is about a boy. He has a pet cat. So he is having a pet cat. For the pet cat, he has come for a shopping. Okay, now we are going to see about the poem. So the title of the poem is A Caller Would Do. Okay, the title of the poem is A Caller Would Do. So it was written. Who has written, we don't know. So it's a anonymous poem. So we don't know the author. So we are mentioning it as anonymous. Okay. What do you mean by a collar? Collar means it is put around the neck of an animal. That is especially for the dog and the cat we will put no. So that is put around the neck of an animal is known as a collar. Okay. New words. So what is a collar? Collar means put around the neck of an animal. Okay. So what is a collar? Put around the neck of an animal. So especially we will put for the dogs and the cats. So around the neck there will be one belt. No. So that is known as a collar. Okay. The speaker of the poem is the poet himself. So he is speaking. Okay. So in the pictures I have seen the poem. Okay. Now I am going to read the poem. Listen to that. So what are the things are there? There are many things. There are many pet animals. What are the pet animals you see? There are rabbits, tortoise are there. Is it? So here the two persons are there. One is the shopkeeper, another one is a boy. So the boy, he is a poet. Okay. So this small boy only, he is having a pet cat. So for the pet cat, he has come for shopping. So this is a shopkeeper. So now the situation has happened in the pet store. Now let us read the poem. Okay. Hello, can I help you? Asked the man at the store. So he is a shopkeeper. No, the shopkeeper is asking, can I help you? Like that, the shopkeeper is asking to the boy. Yes, it's my pet cat that I have come shopping for. So the boy, the small boy, is telling that for my pet cat I have come for shopping. Like that, the boy, he says to the shopkeeper. Okay. Well, of course, young man, what do you need? Queried the man. Okay. So what do you need? Already shopkeeper will ask no. For while you are going to the shop, what the shopkeeper will ask? They will ask, what do you need? Like that, the shopkeeper will ask no. Likewise, here the man is asking, what do you need? Queried the man. Okay. Queried means asked. Okay. Queried means asked. Queried means asked. Okay. What do you need? Asked the shopkeeper. Okay. Now see this picture. In this picture, what are the things are there? So there is a dog, lovebirds, and some reptiles is there, that is known as a gecko. Okay. Then in the pot there is a golden fish. Okay. So this is what. So these are the things that was given in the poem. Okay. The next stanza I am going to read. A collar and a tether. So he is asking, no, what do you need? Like that, the shopkeeper is asking, no, for that the boy, he replied, a collar and a tether to start with. Shade. So what does the boy need? A collar and a tether. So what is a collar? It is put around the neck of an animal. And a tether is a rope or a chain that is used to tie an animal to a fixed object. Okay. Tether. Tether means a rope or chain that is used to tie an, that is used to tie an animal to a fixed object. Okay, so what is a tether? It is a rope or a chain, okay, that is used to tie an animal to a fixed object. A tether is nothing but it's a rope or a chain. Okay, so collar means what? It's a belt. It will put around the neck of an animal, especially for the dogs and the cat we will be putting. And the tether, it's a rope or a chain. It is used to tie an animal. So the boy needs a collar and a tether. Okay, a collar, sure, yes, but a tether for a kitty? So the shopkeeper is telling that a collar is okay, I will give you the collar. But a tether for a kitty, what do you mean by kitty? The young one of a cat is known as a kitty, right? So a tether means what? A rope or a chain. So we won't using a tether. Tether is only used for the puppies only. We won't use tether for the kitty, like that the shopkeeper is telling. Okay, a collar, sure, yes, but a tether for a kitty? They are for puppies. Let's get your kitty a collar bow. Okay, so here the shopkeeper is telling that the collar, okay, I will give you the collar for you, but the tether means rope or a chain. But a tether they will be using for only a puppies, but you are asking for your kitty, so let's get your kitty a collar bow. Bow means you all will be knowing that. So around the neck of the cat they will be putting. So shopkeeper is telling, okay, I will give you a collar bow. Okay, come this way. See what we have to show. The shopkeeper, he is telling that, okay, come this way, we will show you many things to you, like that. The shopkeeper is telling to the boy. We pass by arrays of things and pets. Arrays means a large number of things placed in order. Okay, arrays means, yeah, large number of things placed in order. So arrays means what? A large number of things placed in order. So it's a group of things, it is neatly arranged. Okay, that is known as a array. Array means it is neatly arranged in order. Here the pets and things, they are arranged neatly in an orderly way. Okay, we pass by arrays of things and pets. Charmed I was at the sight of colorful lovebirds. Charmed I was sight of a colorful lovebirds. Here what do you see? You see many lovebirds. They are very colorful. Charmed means it was attracted. So the boy, he was attracted by the colorful lovebirds. Sight means see. Okay, charmed means attracted. Sight means see. Okay, in hues of pink, yellow, purple and snow. Hues means a color or a shade. Okay, there are different colors of a lovebird. So what are the different colors? They are a pink, purple, snow and yellow. These are the colors of the lovebirds. Then next, there were rabbits too and golden fish in the bowl. Okay, in the bowl you have seen the golden fish and there are some rabbits. In the first picture you have seen there is a rabbit. So what are the things that are there in the picture? They are the lovebirds. They are the colorful lovebirds. There are different colors of lovebirds. What are the colors? Pink, yellow, purple and snow. And there are many there are rabbits and a golden fish in the bowl. So while they are passing, the boy, he sees at the lovebirds, rabbit, etc. He sees many pet animals. They are arranged very neatly. They are arranged in a orderly way. Okay. The next one. Now see, this is a third and the fourth stanza. Okay. Is that lizard in the box amidst those bowls? Hey, but aren't they supposed to crawling upwards? So in the before picture you have seen, right? So what is that? So in a cage above the lovebirds you have seen one reptile. So what is a reptile? So this is a gecko. Gecko means a small lizard, okay. But the boy, he does not know what is that reptile. So he is just saying that by seeing he told that it's a lizard. Why you keep them as a pet? Why are keeping here a lizard? They will be usually crawling up in the wall. No, crawling means what? ஊர்ந்து செல்றது. So lizard, it will usually crawl up in the wall. No, so why you are putting here like that? The boy, without knowing, he is asking to the shopkeeper, okay. That's called a gecko. Some love them as pet to keep, okay. Gecko means a small lizard, okay. Fifth one, gecko means small lizard. So in the case there is a gecko. Gecko is a small lizard. Some of the peoples are allowed to keep them as a pet, okay. That's what the shopkeeper is telling. That's called gecko. Some love them as pet to keep. Some of the peoples, they will love them to keep as the pet animals, okay. Others like turtles or frogs that leap, okay. Turtle, what's the difference between a turtle and a tortoise? They both are the same only, okay. Turtle, they adopted their life to spend in a water, okay. Turtle, it will live only in water, whereas a tortoise, it spend most of the time on the land. A turtle, it will live in water, whereas a tortoise, it lives on the land, okay. So in the pet shop there is a turtle and a frog also is that. They leap. Leap means what? They jump. The turtle and the frog, they are jumping, okay. Oh, then I might want a turtle and a tiny frog. So the boy, he is now asking, okay, I also need the turtle and the frog to keep me as a pet. So I need a turtle and a frog, like that. The boy, he is asking to the shopkeeper. Only I need to find a pond and a bog, okay. So where does the turtle and the frog live? They both live in the water only. So for that, if the boy, he needs a turtle and a frog, means they both live in the water only, okay. So for that, you have to find what? You have to find only pond and a bog. Bog is nothing but a spongy and wet land with soil and the dead plants. So bog means it's one type of the pond only. It is full of a wet land. So it is a spongy one, and there it will be soil and dead plants, okay. Bog means BOG. Bog means a spongy and a wet, spongy and a wet ground with soil and dead plants, okay. So what is a bog? A bog is a spongy and a wet ground. It will be very spongy one, and it's a wet ground. எப்போவும் ஈரமாவே இருக்கக்கூடிய ஒரு ground, okay. And a wet ground with soil and a dead plants. So here there will be soil and a dead plants are there, okay. So for the turtle and the frog, I need to find a pond and a bog only I need, like that. The boy is telling to the shopkeeper. Sure, they are yours. Yours here refers to turtle and the frog, okay. Sure, they are yours. So yours, it refers to a turtle and a frog only. So he needs a turtle and a frog, no. So yes, they are yours. And a collar bow too. Already he is in need of a collar bow. Collar bow means what? A put around the neck of an animal. So now he has got a turtle, frog and a collar bow. So they are yours, like that. The shopkeeper, he is telling. Oh right, I think for now just collar would do. So now I think it's the right time. Now I can get a collar bow, like that. The boy, he is telling, okay. Once again I am going to read the stanzas. Listen to that. Hello, can I help you? Asked the man at the store. Yes, it's my pet cat that I have come shopping for. Well, of course, young man. What do you need? Queried the man. A collar and a tether to start with, said I. A collar Sure, yes, but a tether for the kitty? They are for puppies. Let's get your kitty a collar bow. Come this way, see what we have to show. We passed by arrays of things and pets. Charmed I was at the sight of colorful lovebirds in queues of pink, yellow, purple and snow. There were rabbits too and golden fish in a bowl. Is that lizard in the box amidst those balls? Hey, but they are supposed to be crawling up walls. That's called gecko. Some love them as pet to keep. Others like turtle or frogs that leap. Oh, then I might want a turtle and a tiny frogs. Only I need to find a pond and a bog. Sure, yes, they are yours, and a collar bow too. Oh, right, I think for now just the collar would do. Okay, this is the poem. So I will give you the summary of the poem. So the speaker of the poem is the poet himself. So he is speaking to the shopkeeper. So the pet cat. So the boy, he has come to the pet shop for shopping his pet cat. For the pet cat, he want to get a collar bow. For that only, the boy, he came for the pet shop. The shopkeeper is asking, what do you need? So he just replied that I need a collar and a tether. What do you mean by collar? It is put around the neck of an animal, and the tether means it's a rope or a chain. Okay, I will get your kitty a collar, but a tether, they are for the puppies only. For the puppies only, we will be using a tether. So let's get your kitty a collar bow. Like that, the shopkeeper is telling, and they are passing many of the things, that is the neatly arranged, the pets are neatly arranged. What are the things they have seen means they have seen the lovebirds, rabbit and a golden fish, and also he sees one gecko. Gecko is nothing but it's a small lizard. Some of them are allowed to keep them as a pet animal. So only they are putting in the cage. So and also one more thing is that they are the turtle and the frog also there. So here the boy, he also need the turtle and the frog to be with him. So he is asking, I need a turtle and a frog. So only I have to find a pond and a bog. So where does turtle and the frog live? They live in the water. So if I bought things, where do I keep? Okay, I will find a pot and a bog. So only thing the boy has to find is a pond only. Okay, now what are the things the boy has got? He has got a turtle, frog and a collar bow. Okay, at last he has gotten these three things. So this is a summary of the poem. And what are the new words we have seen? A collar. Collar means put around the neck of an animal. Then curried means as. Tether means a rope or a chain. Okay, that is used to tie an animal to a fixed object. Then array means a large number of things placed in order. That is a group of things, they are neatly arranged in order. Then gecko means it's a small lizard. And bog means a spongy and a wet ground with soil and the dead plant. So these are the new words. Students, copy down these things in your notebook and you have to write the new words 2 times. I hope you understand the poem. Thank you.